Switching gears for now, Meta is under intensifying scrutiny after a Reuters investigative report revealed how scam ads flooded its platforms reportedly while the company continued to earn billions in ad revenue, allegedly. And at the center of the controversy is Meta's advertising business tied to China-based advertisers, reportedly, many of whom were linked to online investment scams, impersonation fraud, and fake financial schemes, reportedly, targeting users around the world. Investigations have found that scam ads repeatedly appeared on Facebook and Instagram, reportedly, despite internal warnings and years of public pleasures by Meta to crack down on fraud. In fact, the question also is, why is this significant? Now, these scams did not target one country, remember. Victims were reported across the United States, Europe, Asia, Australia, often lured by ads using deep fake videos, fake celebrity endorsements, fabricated news headlines, reportedly, all designed to look credible. Many users believed they were investing through legitimate platforms. Instead, millions of dollars were lost, reportedly, often with little chance of recovery. And according to the Reuters report, Chinese advertisers became one of Meta's fastest growing sources of ad revenue, particularly after Beijing tightened the rules on domestic tech platforms. And even as fraudulent networks were taken down, new scam advertisers repeatedly resurfaced, reportedly exploiting the weaknesses in Meta's ad review systems, reportedly. Now, Reuters also citing former employees as well as internal documents suggesting that Meta struggled to balance aggressive ad growth with enforcement, reportedly, especially in high revenue markets. Meta has said it removes scam ads, disables fraudulent accounts, and invests heavily in safety systems. And the company says scams are a wider industry problem and that criminals constantly evolve to evade detection. But critics are arguing that the scale of the abuse raises deeper questions about platform accountability, algorithmic amplification, and whether financial incentives slow decisive action. Regulators in multiple parts of the world, remember, are now paying closer attention already. Lawmakers around the world are asking whether existing digital safety laws are strong enough and whether tech companies should be held legally responsible when fraud spreads through paid advertising. And some are calling for tighter oversight of ad verification, clearer liability rules, and also faster compensation mechanisms for the victims. Just to put this simply, this is not just a story about one platform or about one country. It's about how global digital advertising ecosystems operate, the many questions, and how scams can actually scale up across borders, perhaps within minutes, and how difficult it is really for regulators to keep pace with the platforms in a way that are also operating at that huge scale. And as AI tools make scams cheaper, faster, more convincing in a way, the stakes are also rising. So is the concern. And the question now facing governments the world over is, how long will they continue to let this happen?
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.